Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Checking out this fashion shirt here. This is a knit shirt, short sleeve. These come in a variety of different colors. Looks pretty nice. It's got 4 or 3 buttons down the front there. And seems like, let's see what this is made out of here. Hand warm, do not wring. Hang in cool place, hand wash cold. It's kind of a nice, like a grayish color here, kind of a grayish green almost, if my eyes are correct. And this is 70% viscose and 30% polyester. Pretty nice. Feels kind of like a little bit heavy of a material. Looks like a nice little dress shirt. So let's try it on, shall we? All right, well, here it is. It's kind of a nice casual dress shirt type. It has a good length here. This is like the medium sized. Like I don't really like short shorts. I don't really like to tuck them in, but I like kind of right above the pockets, so you can still put your hands in your pockets. I think it still looks pretty nice. It's kind of like a heavier fabric, but not too heavy. It's got a little nice stretch on there. Good length on the sleeves. I think it looks pretty nice, and you can unbutton the tops buttons if you want to. If you have a white t-shirt underneath or whatever, but not too tight around the neck. I like how it has the different little hems around the edges, like around the neck and the sleeves and stuff like that. So it's all in all, it's a pretty comfortable shirt there. I think it looks pretty good. I like that it comes in a bunch of different colors and feels not too hot, but it does have a little bit of weight to it, so it feels like you're actually, is wearing something that could be a little warm. Haven't had this out in the weather or anything like that, but for just a casual kind of little bit more upscale than just a regular t-shirt shirt, I think it looks pretty nice. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.